In today's fast-paced business world, presentation has become a crucial component of effective communication. Whether you are pitching a new idea, presenting a sales report, or simply updating your team on progress, a well-crafted presentation can be the difference between success and failures. But why is presentation so important, you might ask? The answer is simple. A captivating hook can grab your audience attention and keep them engaged throughout your presentation, ultimately helping you achieve your goals and drive your message home. So, if you want to make a long lasting impression and ensure that your ideas are heard, it's time to polish your presentation skills and make your next meeting a success. Hello and welcome again. My name is Fumi from Bet Media, and in this video I would be showing you how to quickly make magic presentation on Canva. Let's get started. So here we are on the Canva website. You can go directly to this website by typing canva.com, or you can click the link in the description and that will take you directly to this website. I'm currently using the pro version, but I believe this would also work if you're using the free version. So we'll go to try out magic presentation because that is what we want to do and we want to try it out. And this would open a new window where we'll be asked to enter 5 or more words that describes our presentation topic. So I would like to create a presentation for introducing Bet Media, which is our agency, our branding and web design agency located in Frankfurt. To see, maybe we would get little information about Frankfurt in the presentation. Frankfurt, Germany. So enter, and there it is creating the presentation. And then it gives us 8 different template styles, and each template styles is made up of 9 different slides. So it's done creating. Oh, we actually get an image from Frankfurt. I think that's nice. And then we can scroll down to see the different slides that we have in individual designs. You see our team, our portfolio, and then a contact us. And you can also choose other styles to see what works best for you. You see our mission, who we are, our services, our process, our team, our portfolio, and then contact us. There are options to choose from. Which do I like? Which do I like? And you should know that you can change out, you can swap out the images if you do not like any image, or if you don't even like the font, or you can increase the size, you can change the background. Just note that this tool is just meant to assist you in case you have a lot of presentations that you have to make, and instead of spending hours or days trying to think of what to put in the slides, how to design it, you can actually just do it in seconds. So here we have I think I like this. So if you found the one you like, you can click on create my presentation. And there it creates your presentation. Bet Media empowering your brand. I like to think we do that. And then our mission is to bring your brand to life through stunning designs and strategic branding solutions that make a lasting impact. Sorry. Yeah, I think that is it. But then there is no image here, so I can always add an image. I don't think I have any image open, but you can always swap the background to make it look like you. And then this is our story. We're a team of passionate designers and developers who create a unique branding and web design solution for your business reach worldwide, and we bring your vision to life. Yes, I can attest that we do that. And then this is our services: branding, logo, website design and development, social media marketing and management. Yes, we also do that. And the process of our work, I think that sounds about right. And then our team. Maybe in this page you might want to put pictures of your team's members if you feel like that is relevant or if that would help your presentation. And then portfolio. You can also swap this with different works that we have done. and then a contact us. So I think like this essentially shows you like the important stuff that should be in your presentation if you're introducing your company or your brand to clients, to investors. You can add more information if you want. And the other options that you have is you can present this. So there's an option to present the full screen. So even after you're done editing, you can actually present it directly from Canva, and you can record and you can play it, or you can share. You can share the link, you can share, you can download it. You can download it as a PDF or PNG or JPEG, whichever one you like, and you select all pages and then you download. So that is it, creating simple presentation using Canva Magic Presentation. So there you have it, an efficient, quick and easy to use tool to create amazing presentations for you and also for your clients. Let me know in the comment section if you would be using this tool. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.